Welcome to French Class 101. Today, we will learn about various buildings that you could find in a town. In a few moments, various buildings will appear on your screen. You will also see and hear the name of those buildings in French. Try to repeat after me. Aéroport. Aéroport. Café. Café. Hôpital. Hôpital. Restaurant. Restaurant. Bloc appartement. Bloc appartement. École. École. Maison. Maison. Banque. Banque. Église. Église. Now, it's your turn to try. These same buildings will now appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Also, if you would like to learn more about French or learn about other languages, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.